So I invite you to just get comfortable where you are. Today we're going to do a healing meditation. A healing meditation in honor of the feminine spirit. When we share feminine spirit, it's the part in each one of us that understands emotions, that connects, that breaks open and includes. So I invite you to take a few deep breaths into a practice this morning. A practice that's a little more than a meditation. We begin with centering ourselves. And then we're going to move into a reading by Jeff Foster, a poem from the book You Were Never Broken. And I invite us to open our hearts to presence, to the safety of engaging this practice together. In honor of the divine, the feminine nature of life, the receiving aspect of mind and heart. So we take a few deep breaths, bringing our energy, our attention, and our intention fully into this moment. Finding our awareness in the heart, as if we're inhaling and exhaling through the heart itself. Rooted and grounded here. This is a safe space. We inhale. We exhale. We breathe into an awareness of God. Knowing that there is more than enough love and space to hold all that's going on in your internal world and this external world. Knowing that as we breathe into the light, we reach our expanded capacity to presence each other, to presence any pain and suffering in this world, to presence the world within us. So I invite you to tune in to anything this morning in yourself or in the world that might be heavy on your heart. And simply allow it to be there. And we dedicate this practice this morning to women, to the feminine, to this incredible, amazing, resilient capacity to presence the fullness of love, knowing all all the aspects of love. Of the fullness of what it is to fearlessly love. To show up. In the words of Jeff Foster, friend, the ache you feel today is not a mistake. There is no shame in what you're going through. In some distant world, you're being hailed as a warrior hero. Your pain is a holy site, an altar. Come out of the mind and into the body now. Send attention deep into the raw sensations in your belly, chest, throat, head. Dress today's wounds with presence. Breathe into the sadness. Offer the anger oxygen. Infuse the fearful one with fearless fascination. Don't try to fix the burning. It's not yours to fix. It belongs to the ages. Don't try to get rid of it. The heart does not understand get rid of. Don't even try to transmute it. That's not your job. Your only job is to love what's here and to love your own inability to love and to have courage or to have no courage today. To be as present as you possibly can be and not an ounce more. You are giving birth to new life, to a precious inner child, love and pain making something new wound as womb. She is scared, she is raw, she's a little heartbroken, but she is so alive now and deserving of love. The ache in you is the place where alchemy longs to happen. The love of God is sufficient. The grace of God is sufficient. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.